Majin Buu Monthly. Tonight we're gonna draw Super Buu Gohan Absorbed. If you must know what Gohan Absorbed first appeared in Dragon Ball Z Kai, the final chapters, and even fought against Vegito. And basically, this is my favorite form involving Super Buu. And get this, Super Buu has a nose! Now, this reminds me of the time Patrick got a nose. Remember that scene? I did. Anyways, Majin Buu, otherwise known as Super Buu, Gohan Absorbed. He made his second appearance and a return in the Beyond Dragon Ball Super arc involving Murno, when Majin Buu fused with everyone to become Super Buu Gohan Absorbed. Only this time he's a good guy now. Vegeta congratulates him and welcomes him back. He was all like, "Welcome back, Super Buu." He has everyone's support in stopping him, and he knows all their moves, like Spirit Ball, Kazakami Attack, Neo Tri-Beam, Special Beam Cannon, that kind of stuff. He even knows the Kamehameha. He even joined forces with Golden Frieza. Yeah, I remember that scene. I would like to thank Unreal Gaming for helping me out with that. I always knew that Super Buu would turn good. Now we draw the Gohan suit. Now we draw the hand here. We draw the tentacle that's on the bottom. Now we draw the M that's on his belt. Almost there. Lastly, we draw the rest of his tentacle. There we go. There he is. That's how you draw Super Boo Gohan Absorbed. Oh, okay. There we go. Man, he looks good. So, you want to know what kind of you know what other forms Majin Buu could take on? Well, stay tuned for more episodes. I'm always here, and I'm never going to stop until the coronavirus passes. Together, we will get through this once and for all. Anyhow, that's how you draw Super Buu Gohan Absorbed. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Even if it involves Majin Buu. Stegosaurus, see you later.